to talk about polynomials today. And when we're talking about polynomials, we're going to distinguish between what is a polynomial and what is not. So when we're talking about polynomials, polynomials are those things where we have x raised to some power. And the thing about this exponent here, the exponent must be a whole number when we're looking at this. So we have to pay attention to where the x is and things of that nature. So what I mean by that is polynomials are things such as g of x is equal to a 5x plus 3. Or maybe an h of x is equal to a 7x to the 7th minus 5x to the 4th plus 3. These are both polynomials because we have x raised to whole number powers. Now, things that are not polynomials are things that have where we have x raised to maybe a negative number, or it is a fraction, or maybe the x is in the exponent. Okay? So things that are not polynomials are things such as n of x is equal to 3x to the negative 7th, which is the exact same thing as 3 over x to the 7th. So in other words, when that x is in that denominator, these are rational functions, so they are not polynomials. We also cannot have something like p of x is equal to the square root of x, because this is actually the same thing as x raised to the 1/2 power. Anytime we have this radical, we can change those into fractions. And the other thing that I was talking about is x being actually in the exponent. Those are what we consider exponential functions, such as if I have k of x is equal to 3 raised to the x power. This is an exponential where the x is actually in the exponent position. So these things right here are not polynomials because of what x is raised to or where the x is located. So we only want to look at things which are items what we're currently used to, which are the polynomials where x is raised to a whole positive number. And so this is how you tell the difference between a polynomial and non-polynomial functions.